Hey, Dana here. Welcome to my vlog. This is me on the project. I think I'm gonna start changing them instead of isolating my vlogs down to project this, project that. I think I'm just gonna bring it all onto one vlog now, and that's gonna be keep it running. So, in this case, I'm keeping the 2006 Ford Explorer Hybrid running. I'm going to spray some foam in that hole and keep the moisture out. Right now, unfortunately, we're not right in the middle of winter, and how many like throwing freaking spray in there? The salt is in there, so it's going to keep the salt in there, but the salt isn't under moisture, then I'm not going to have the problem. See, the problem here is it's got a hole. And if you lift that up, you can see the hole right down through right outside. So what I'm going to do is bring in the salt inside the vehicle. Not to mention, this is getting to it, but you got a seal here, but the salt is getting blown, or the moisture and the water is getting blown in there. The tires that I'm taking off are all seasons, so right now they don't have much of a throw when it comes to salt and moisture. But I'm putting these suckers on there, and these are gonna throw mud and salt, everything, just without any with disregard for everything else. So I'm gonna do that. I'm going to use expandable foam on it. It's going to keep the moisture out of the cab. So let's do that real quick before I yeah. Throw that sucker right up. It's coming right up here. All right, it's gonna be nice. Oh, it's gonna be, I missed it. This stuff is messy, so be aware. Messy. There's all kinds of places I want to put this stuff. I'll put it right down in here too. Down in there. I'll come back another day, cut that stuff out of there, but it's all right. I got another one. Got another hole on this side. You see right here. Fill that sucker right up. All right. Just gonna keep crap out of there. I don't care where it goes right now. I just want to fill holes. Bloop, bloop. A little hole in there now, huh? Oh. It'll attach itself to something. I'm happy. Good. Filling right in there. Fill that up. Sweet. At the bottom of my door. This stuff is nasty, boy. Nasty. Yeah, buddy. Stuff is nasty. Alright. Okay, I like it. Filling holes, dude, filling holes. Fill whatever holes I can fill. Over here. Oh, good. It's coming out. Might even help pull some stuff together for a little, a little longer. I didn't have any in the door cracks. Down there. Oh shit. Okay. He's running out on the floor. Out on the ground. Okay. Can't do much. Okay. Sweet. Any more? Little holes I don't see. Somebody can't do something about the other stuff, but it's on the wall. Okay. All right. Okay. We might have done some good. Yeah. No, you don't put anything in the doors. You can help it. So, anyway. I put some underneath. Tire back on. That'll be good. Woo, it's cold, man. All right, with that winterizing, sprayed that in there. That's sprayed in there now, and I also ran around with the Rust-Oleum rust dissolver, and I went around, hit all my rust all around the outside, and that works great. Works fast, 30 minutes, and then spray it on, and clings to the surface, and then what it's done is it's eaten through the rust and sealed the rust. So that's what I did on all my rust around the outside. Went all the way. Went around the doors here. You can see it on the outside. Accumulating. Now as more moisture hits on that, it's going to rust. And no, it's not, it's going to seal. It's going to seal the rust. So there we go. I got my new tires on. Got them aired up. And we're sitting around 20 psi. Those have got about 6 or 7 on the Richter scale for tread depth. These up here were like 8 in that last video, I believe. So, and the nice thing about it is the tread is wide, so it's going to spit that snow right on out, and good grip. So again, I only spent $208 on aluminum rims with the tires still installed. So I got out of it with, 2 tires is going to run you $200, and that doesn't include the rims, and that doesn't include the balancing and mounting. So I believe I got away real well. And then the other tires, two sets are really bad, so they'll have to be replaced. But the other set probably got about another 6 to 10,000 miles left on them for tread. So I'll take these off. I don't even know if I'm gonna run it through the summer or not. But anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Definitely subscribe. And this is gonna be my new series. Keep them running.